Hey, good morning, everybody on YouTube. I had to turn on the flashlight because it's 5 a.m., pitch black. The sun hasn't even rose yet. So I'm out here with Buddah and her little eggies. So she wants to say good morning to everybody, and we hope you're doing good and staying safe and staying blessed. And most of all, please do remember to always wear your mask and stay safe. And remember, we are all one, so there's no need for anyone to bash others or discriminate others on YouTube. There's enough room for all of us. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, good morning, everybody. The sun came up. Hey, the bird's talking to me. He followed me from the golf course. I'm trying to see where he's at. I think he's in the big tree. It's a cardinal. And he's the I hope everyone is staying safe, staying blessed out there, and most of all, taking care of yourself, loving one another, and knowing that tomorrow's never promised. So, look at that. Sun rising.